Happy morning to you, my dear students. How are you all? Taking care of your health? You should. And today I have come up with a topic that is definitely going to help you to improve your health. Okay? So all excited to know what is the topic? Let's have a look. So today's general knowledge topic is basic yoga asanas. Okay, students? So what are we going to learn in basic yoga asanas? Let us see. Basic yoga asanas for health and fitness. That is the need of the hour. Yes, everyone is afraid and getting scared of corona. But let me tell you, children, if you practice basic yoga asanas, you will improve your immunity. इम्यूनिटी मीन्स हमारी शक्ति वायरस के अगेंस्ट फाइट करने की शक्ति बढ़ेगी. सो यू विल प्रैक्टिस दिस बेसिक योगासनास दैट विल हेल्प यू टू मेक योर इम्प्रूव योर इम्यूनिटी, कीप योर स्किन glowing. It will improve your eyesight and your concentration also. So these are the benefits of doing yogasanas. All excited to know how to do it? Yes. Yoga is practiced to obtain healthy mind and body. Both our mind and body becomes healthy because of yogasanas. And if your mind and body is healthy, your whole life is healthy. You will have a healthy lifestyle. But children, you should not do yoga when your stomach is full. खाना खाने के बाद नहीं करना है योगा, खाली पेट करना है. So yoga asanas should be done on an empty stomach. And every time you learn the yoga, learn it. You should practice it under the supervision of trained yoga instructor. सही तरीके से करोगे योगा तो ही उसका फायदा होगा. So you will learn it in the correct way and do it correctly so that you get the benefit of yoga. Okay? So I will explain how it has to be done. Then I will show you a video on that. So these are the 4 basic yogasanas that we are going to have a look upon. So first one, okay? While exhaling, so these are the terms. ये शब्द आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. Exhaling means breathing out. How you breathe out? Through your nostril. हवा को बाहर छोड़ना है. Okay, so try leaving your air out, breathing out through your nostrils, all of you. Okay, so while exhaling, twist the body. So you have to twist, this is called twist. You have to twist the body towards the left side. Why you are twisting to the left side? So that with your right palm, you touch your left shoulder and you turn this way. Okay. Now when you are coming forward to the original position, वापस वही position में आने के time, you have to breathe in. You have to inhale. So let me do and show you. Okay. That is how it has to be done. Then come back inhaling. That is taking the air in slowly. And this is for your trunk twisting, so that your body becomes flexible. Anyone calls you from behind, you are immediately able to turn this side, bend down, bend up. Easily, your body becomes flexible if you do yogasanas every day. So will you do only left side? No, you have to do right side also. Okay, so the same thing in the same way. Similarly, that means in the same way, while exhaling, breathing out, you will twist your body towards the right side so that your left palm touches the right shoulder. And then you come back, inhaling slowly. Very simple. Let me show you the next one. Number 2. Basic yogasanas number 2. Very simple. What you have to do is bring your elbow near your chest. So you bring your elbow like this. Slowly rotate your arm. Now how will you rotate? It has to be done correctly. So first you will rotate from inside out, that is clockwise and then you will do anti-clockwise. Okay? So that is how it has to be done. Next one. So we have done the exercise to keep our trunk flexible. We did exercise to keep our shoulder flexible. Now what about our legs? They also have to be flexible. So this is for the flexibility of your legs. Simple. Lie down straight on your back. Lift your right leg. Rotate it in the clockwise direction. But when you are doing it, you have to do it correctly. नहीं तो फायदा नहीं होगा. Otherwise, no benefit. So make sure your knee is not bending. घुटना bend नहीं होना है. Repeat the same with your left leg. So right leg, left leg. This is basic yogasana number 3. Number 4. Now what you have to do here is simple. While inhaling, that is you are breathing inside. Okay, that time what you have to do? You have to lift your arms up to your shoulder and you are breathing in. And once you are, let me do it for you. And once you have done that, you will go down on your knees. That is what this boy is going down on his knees. He is bending his knees. And when you do that, you have to breathe out. Let's now look at the video. Look at the video. So students, you have seen how Hridaya Dominic has done that yogasanas for you. She is also a student like you and she did it so that you can look and do it in the same way. Now, certain things that you are going to remember from this lesson. What you will remember? Practicing these asanas regularly improves your body posture. So you will do this basic yogasanas so that your body becomes proper. No, you are not having hump on your back or you are not walking one left side, falling off. So your body posture becomes proper. When you stand, sit, sleep or walk, your posture should be correct. This helps to relieve body ache. Because many times when we are doing homework, we sit in a wrong posture and that what happens, because of that we have body ache. So yogasanas help to relieve. योगासन करने से हमको बॉडी के दर्द से छुटकारा मिलता है. Release body ache due to incorrect posture. So do this basic yogasanas. Now a simple worksheet I will send you and this is how you are going to do. There will be a help box. Read the description of each yogasanas. You will read the description, choose from the help box and write the correct option. First one, lift your right leg, rotate it in a clockwise direction without bending your knee. Repeat the same for your left leg. This is for which movement? You are lifting your leg, so it's clue for you. Next one. Bring your elbow near your chest and slowly rotate your arm clockwise and anti-clockwise. So you are doing it with your arms. So it is for which movement? You have to choose and write. While inhaling, lift your arm up to the shoulder level in front of you and bend on your knees. You are using your knees, you are bending your knees. So it's an exercise for your knee movement. I have given you the answer here. While exhaling, twist the body towards the left side so that the right palm touches the left shoulder and then come back. So you are twisting your trunk. So it is for the trunk movement. So children, I hope you have enjoyed these basic yogasanas that you have learned. Practice them. Happy learning. God bless you all.